Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is probably gonna be filmed in a different day because I was like, you know what? I am craving some jalapeno poppers because I am on my period, and even though I'm on my period, I love to eat healthy. I figured that I should make myself. This dog is pretty loud. Benny! I figured why not make, like a snack, because I feel like when you're on your period sometimes you want a snack, but oh my god, this dog is so loud. I also feel like I get so irritated with little noises that I just feel like, let me just try my best. Oh, it's loud, right? I'm gonna show you guys also like what I did like yesterday for dinner, and it is like the easiest thing to make. I promise you, like super easy, and it's delicious. I was kind of hesitant because I was like, what if I don't like it? But I actually really like how it came out. If you haven't tried zucchini, spaghetti squash, you definitely should try it, because honestly, 10 out of 10 with feta cheese. I thought I didn't like feta cheese, but now I realize that I actually do. I think I had tried goat cheese before and I didn't like it, because I just remember there was this cheese, or blue cheese, I don't know what it is, but it's between goat cheese and blue cheese. But anyways, for this, like if you want to do a low carb and you're trying to have like a little snack, I would highly suggest, this is actually my new favorite thing that I found on the internet, and it's super easy to make if you're someone that doesn't like cooking or just wants like to cook something really fast. I would highly suggest doing jalapeno poppers. I think that I strive better when I'm on a low carb diet instead, because I used to do bulking and cutting, and that would take a toll on my body a lot, because I feel like my body doesn't react so well when I eat carbs. Like especially it doesn't sit well with me. I feel bloated, and I hate feeling bloated. I really do. I mean, I already feel like I'm bloated one week, probably 2 weeks out of the month, because if you're a girl, you get your period, so you constantly feel bloated, like how I feel right now. And so I don't even like doing that. So I realize whenever I'm on a low carb diet, even when I'm on my period, I don't feel as bloated. So I have to wash the dishes because I haven't washed them, but I'm gonna show you guys how to make them. It's super easy, I'm telling you. All you need is jalapeno peppers. I don't know why I said that. Jalapeno peppers. I don't know, I feel like that sounds kind of funny, to be honest. And all you're gonna need is also cream cheese, which we have right here. It's best to use the whipped cream cheese, because I just feel like you don't have to like smash it, like, and make it kind of like how it is right here. It's easier to use, to blend in. Cute. Okay? And you're gonna need some cheese, which is Kobe cheese. And all you're gonna need is Kobe cheese. This one right here. And
hi guys.
this is my daughter. Say hi.
Hi.
He's so cute. Right now my daughter, she's like obsessed with Demon Hunters. I think, and every kid right now is obsessed with Demon Hunters. Like my nieces, they're super obsessed with them, from my boyfriend's side and then my side as well. So it's funny because now we're like Demon Hunter parents. It's funny. It's a thing on TikTok, by the way. But honestly, the songs are so catchy that I feel like I'm constantly singing. I put it even in the car. My daughter will ask me, can you put Golden? That's like her favorite song. This video is like in different days, but this is what I feel like. I'm just giving you guys ideas of what to make if you want to be on a low diet or things like that. So all you have to do is, okay, hold on, let me see. Okay, can you see? Okay. All you're gonna do is cut these in half. So I'm gonna do only a few this time, just so that you guys can get an idea. Or I don't know if I should do all of them, because I will eat all of them, to be honest with you. Okay, so all you're gonna do is cut them in half. Oh my god, I think there's no going back. Okay, and then you're gonna take out this part, like the inside of it. You can grab a scoop, or you could just take it off with your hand.
Huh? What did you say?
Nothing, mommy. I'm talking to the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
And okay, so then I'm gonna show you guys how to, after you're done with that, I'm just gonna give you guys an example real quick. And then you're gonna do is put some cream cheese inside. And they have to look like this. And then after that, you're gonna put some cheese on top.
Yeah, cheese.
And it's gonna look like this.
Yeah.
You can put bacon bits on top of these. It's up to you. I don't think I'm gonna do that because I'm not really a fan of bacon, so I'm not gonna do that. If you want that extra protein, I would suggest you do put in turkey bacon. But if you don't, that's totally okay. But I honestly, if I could give you guys an advice, try to eat protein with every meal, especially if you're going to the gym or you're trying to take care of yourself. Put some protein. You can even put little bits of chicken on top. I even got rotisserie chicken last night, and that's how I made this, because I have to put protein in every meal that I eat. I'm just gonna finish up doing all of these, and then I'll be right back and I'll show you guys how to put it in the oven. Sometimes I know there's people that don't know how to work an oven, so that's why I'm here to show you how to do it. Okay, so I decided, since I'm already to put chicken in it. I wasn't gonna put any chicken, but because I wanna eat more protein, since I have to go to the gym tomorrow, I'm gonna just do a light cardio tomorrow. I try to walk on the treadmill and do some arm workouts and back. I really want to start working on my back and have like a nice back. Shred the little chicken or whatever. You don't have to cook like the chicken. You could just either get it at Costco or your local like grocery store, because honestly, sometimes it can be a lot faster and better. Like, you don't have to season the chicken because it's already seasoned. It's already good. It has a nice taste to it. And you don't have to worry if like your chicken is at the right temperature, because something about me, I get scared of cooking chicken sometimes. I've gotten sick by eating like raw chicken before. One time at Pollo Loco or something, I think it was Pollo Loco, that I got food poisoning bad. I thought I was gonna die. And so ever since then, I've been scared. I still eat at Pollo Loco, but I get scared of eating. Oh, got that. Get down. Get down. Because my boyfriend's brother, he has a fish tank, and the cat tries to like catch the fish. I will like just like tap them, and they get scared because they see my cat how big. I'm not gonna use all of it because I am gonna use it for the rest of my spaghetti squash too. Okay, so it's gonna look like this, right? But we're gonna mix it. You can put some pepper. Oh my god, my camera's gonna die. So then you're gonna add your cheese. Again, this one, and you're gonna just sprinkle it in there. I'm the type of person that likes to cook and clean as I go. But today, because I'm on my period, and honestly, I'm hungry, that I want a snack, like, or something. I'm gonna put some garlic salt because I love garlic on anything. I feel like my food always has to have garlic or onions. It gives it so much flavor. But we're gonna start spreading these. I'm putting them. Sorry. So now it has chicken. And it's gonna be so good. I promise. But anyways, I'll be right back because I have to do the rest. So this is how they're supposed to look. They don't look as good, but trust me, these are fire. So now let's try them. Wow. I wish I would have added more salt, but okay, so now I'm gonna teach you guys how to make spaghetti squash. Honestly, this is the first time actually trying it, so it does look a little bit crazy only because it is hard to cut a spaghetti squash. My man had to cut it for me because trust me, it is hard. You need a man to cut this. I mean, maybe you don't. Maybe you're stronger than me, but I'm just not as strong as I thought I was. And yeah, he was even struggling a little bit, so that's why it came out a little bit crooked. All you're gonna do is take out all the seeds, all that little extra stuff from the spaghetti squash. And honestly, I ended up loving this recipe. I seen it on TikTok from this girl, I forgot who, but there's a lot of people that have been making this spaghetti squash, so I don't really know who to give credit to, if I'm being honest. But you guys should definitely try, and that's me looking up the recipe, like what she did. Oh, I don't know if you guys know who that is, but that's where I got my my recipe from. There's a lot of people that have done this, by the way. Anyways, after you're done, you're gonna add your little spices. I added some pepper, some salt, and some garlic salt, and olive oil. You have to add olive oil, that way your noodles or your spaghetti squash is not dry. Just how I did right there. That's a good amount. And then again, garlic salt. And then I'm gonna add some pepper. You can just eyeball it. It just depends how seasoned you like it. But I already again, like, this amount was perfect, honestly. I added some salt, and that's basically it. Then you're gonna be adding your cherry tomatoes and your feta cheese in there. This one came out all ugly. Okay, cute. I think this one needs... Okay, and then I I totally forgot that you're supposed to preheat your oven. It has a little bake button and to 450, and I basically let it cook for 40 minutes. It takes a while, but it's not hard to make, guys, I promise.
Like, he's good, but he's a flopper. He's a credit. He has no heart. Like, when you're a flopper, you got no heart. Messi has heart. Cristiano, he has heart. Well, sometimes Cristiano be flopper. But, like, Ronaldinho has heart. You know, that's why I love Ronaldinho, because he's a Brazilian player. Like, he just, you know, like, he's good, and he's not a flopper. He doesn't cry. He's not crying. He takes it with a smile. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But, whatever it is,
I can see everything. Evergreen.
So good. Guys, this is my son and he's gonna try the food I made right now,
No.
okay? Go eat it.
Wow, show the camera.
Okay, go. So grab that one, that little
Wait,
piece.
can you see?
Yes. Just eat it.
I can see everything.
Good.
Why are you going to the trash? It's good?
I'm not as good.
I told you.
It tastes like chicken Alfredo.
Right?
What'd you put?
I put chicken,
Look at
cherry
my mom
tomatoes, olive oil, garlic, salt,
Hey, what?
regular salt. This is better than spaghetti.
Look!
She's so happy that she doesn't know. And she's gonna ask you for a cheesecake later. Watch.
Ooh, look at the lights.
She's so cute.
Oh, Damien, go be in the video.
I can see everything.
Yes, chef. Oh, wow, you like that tree?
Come on, baby, take a leap of faith.
Oh, look, the penguins come.
We got a love that's worth the wait.